back to our doll collection. Well, let's start the opening. Let's see what I got. See what surprise in store. Now we're going to see what it looks like. God, look what it says here. Dear value customer, thank you for your recent purchase. Please know that your purchase comes with a commitment to your satisfaction. Yep. Well, here it is. Hold up, let's see what I got now. Oh, yeah! Finally! The Madame Alexander Maribel doll. Look at it. Yes, I ordered her on eBay. And she's all with her original box, and she's all, and I'm gonna put her together too. So let's open her up, see what she looks like. There's her legs. Good study, cast good legs. Good arms. Her nice dress. Nice piece. Oh, good God. Leftover tape so you can cast her. She's the Maribel, the doll that gets well. That means she's for a cure for paralysis and HIV/AIDS today. Yes, that's what I put her as. Let's see now. Oh, her cast. Needs a little cleaning. Look at this. Oh, some more legs. Another cast needs cleaning. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Isn't she great? The owner did a very nice thing. The owner put the head on, whoever sold it, because when I saw it on eBay, the head was separate, so I don't have to tie the head on. Thank you, owner. Thank you for putting the head on. Isn't she pretty? And she's soft, and I don't have to paint her face. She's well firmed, and because everybody wants to buy sissy dolls and pay a high price, all the valued Madame Alexander dolls like this are real cheap, and I won't have trouble putting on. Look at her hair. Isn't she great? Let's see it. Comes with her when you have a broken leg or you can't walk. Excuse me, I'm being nervous. Isn't that nice? You know how much I paid? $29. You think they would charge $100 for this doll, but of course they charge. I remember looking at another place other than eBay, and it was $45 all put together. But this is wonderful, including the original box. Now recently, I put some momentary weak rubber bands so I wouldn't lose her legs, and I've been analyzing what she needs. Now she has a bad mark on her face here, and she has some dirt marks here, but if I do anything it might destroy the paint, so I got to be very careful. I may have to keep those marks on there. And her legs are dirty, and her arms are dirty, her back's dirty. I don't know if I can get rid of that if you see that. And she needs her hair washing, and she has an original rubber band, but that'll have to be removed. And I'm going to have to use Dawn, and I've used a scrub brush here, but gently, a gentle cloth for her face, and I'm going to have to shampoo her hair and put some conditioner and restyle it. And that's what I'm going to do first. I got to cut these old weaker rubber bands off so I can... Okay. I just wanted to hold her legs. Okay, now we're going to take her to washing. Scrub her body. Now the reason why I have this plastic around her head is because this doll of mine did something wrong, and after I fix her up, I'm gonna sentence her to death for punishment by having her head chopped off, and she told me she didn't want to see it. No, I'm teasing. I'm just about to scrub her body, and I don't want the Dawn soap to touch her face yet. See, this is what I'm doing. Let's hope to get this stuff off, maybe. Probably can't. Remember, she's an old 1959 doll. You know, I remember back in 1959 when I was... Now her dirty legs. Dip it in here. I decided to use this scrubber for this leg because it seems to do a lot better for the Dawn. Now her arms. Now I'm going to wipe her face gently with a gentle rag, and then I'm going to take her ponytail off and wash her hair. Now I'm going to take some of this and wipe her face off. Gently wipe her face. Hopefully get her real clean. Now I'm going to put that shampoo and conditioner on her right now, but I'm going to put that shampoo on her. Now we're going to put some conditioner on her. Well, she's all clean now, and I'm about to string her with this string that I ordered from Amazon. Let's see, it's about... Yes, it's about the right size. Enough. $36. That's enough. I made a mistake. It wasn't Amazon. It was eBay. Now with this string and this scissors and this vice gripper, she's going to be cured, and she's going to be filled with arms with a combination of magic. Do you see? Well, I got her arms through magic. Now her arms are whole again. Now I'm going to get her legs. Well, I got her, but it was very, very difficult. You see, originally I strung her separately on her arms, and that worked well, but when it came to her legs, I couldn't tighten her very much. Then I discovered the way her body was built, you had to put the string inside her from this direction and pull her legs up and tie it in a knot. It's not very easy. I had to use a vice gripper and a bunch of pliers to pull it in a knot around her, around the clip in her arms, you know, around the hook in her arms. And then once that's tight, then I had to get the pliers and pull the elastic to hook it into her other arms, and finally I got her. But that's the way you do it, from that way. Now we got her straightened up. We're going to clean her crutch and her casts. By the way, Mary Bell, the doll that gets well's shoes finally came. I found that on eBay. Let's open it up. What is this? Fixodent. This is where they put her shoes? Let's see here. Oh yes, here's her gorgeous shoes. Well, this is the original Mary Bell, the doll that gets well shoes. Let's open this up. And it's going to go fitting Mary Bell too. And I appreciate Verna Springer for selling me this, as if she was waiting for me to buy it. This is her original 6 shoes. We got Mary Bell, the doll that gets well's glasses, all those for American Girls. Let's see what it looks like. Card. Yeah, here they are. Here's the glasses. Here it is.
Look at that total mess. When I just got that doll all messed up. Now, take a look at how she looks in a few moments right now.